So today I'll be showing you how to make this very tasty, delicious potato, chicken and prawn meal. This tasted so good. You're going to love it. It's very healthy. It's very delicious. Very tasty. So you can either just take a screenshot or pause this video in order for you to get all the ingredients that I use in making this delicious meal. So the first thing you want to do is to pat dry your chicken. So I'm just using kitchen towel to just dry off the excess moisture from my chicken. So the next thing you want to do is to season this up. So like I usually say by video, you can use your favorite spices, but all the spices that I use here I already dropped in the list that I showed you earlier. So the next thing you want to do is just to mix up everything together in order for all the spices to enter into your chicken. So once you've mixed this up, what you need to do is just to cover this up and place in the refrigerator for your chicken to marinate for 2 hours or overnight. Or you can take this a step further by adding your chicken into milk. So I just added some turmeric and seasoning cube into milk and then add my chicken. So what this is going to do is just to make your chicken very tender and add lots of flavor in your chicken. So I just cover this up and place in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. So the next thing I want to get ready is my Irish potato. So just peel off the back of the Irish potato, and the next thing you want to do is just to cut this into small piece. So be very mindful when working with Irish potato to place your peeled Irish potato in water. This will stop it from this coloration. So once you've done that, you want to wash this thoroughly to remove excess starch from your Irish potato. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka, and to my returning viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. So the next thing I want to do is just to melt some butter, and next thing you want to do is to brown your chicken. So this will take about 2 to 5 minutes for your chicken to brown up. So once you've browned your chicken, the next thing you want to do is to add in your potato. So mix up everything together until this is combined. Then the next thing you want to do is just to add little water and then go in with your corn cob. Then just allow that to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So as this is cooking, the next thing I want to prep for is my veggies. So I have on my table some carrots. So just chop that up nicely. So you can decide to cut this in strip or any shape of your choice. So the next thing I want to also get ready is my bell peppers. Once you've done with that, the next thing you want to do is to melt some butter. Can also use vegetable oil if you like, but butter will just make this taste so nice. So just saute some garlic and ginger, then go in with your deveined prawn. So you just want to cook this for about 3 to 2 minutes. So do not overcook this, as this could make your prawn taste rubbery. So just add in some salt and just cook this until it is ready, and scoop this out for later. Bon appetit. Every Wednesday. So into the pot, add in some onions, go in with some scotch bonnet pepper. So depending on how spicy you want this to be, so add the amount of scotch bonnet pepper you can handle. So once that is done, just want to mix up everything together and then go in with your veggies. The next thing you want to do is to season this up. So I just went in with some seasoning cubes, soy sauce, rosemary and coriander. So one of the spices that you have to use here is the soy sauce. This will just take this to another level. So you just want to mix up everything together, and that is it. Your veggies is ready. So the next thing we want to just do is to mix up everything together. Please be mindful not to overcook your veggies. So what I just go in with is some cornstarch slurry. That's just cornstarch mixed with water. So just add that into your chicken and potato mix. So just go in with your veggies and then add in your prawn and mix up everything together, and here you have it, your delicious, very tasty potato, chicken and prawn meal is ready. This tasted so good. And then you can just top up with some spring onion, and that is it. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.
In the heart of the kitchen,